cleaning up the basement before we're planting. And when we plant, we're planting this like Abigail wants, and then that's my speech. Abigail's turn. Dad, face it on Abigail.
I want to clean up before we plant and transplant these seeds.
No, you mean the watermelon.
The
first one we had.
The watermelon. They are watermelon.
The other one, though.
The other one, but this one is much more better than that other one.
But that one
we have been on. Then we will transplant the seeds, and we'll wait for them to grow.
Yep. Dad, your turn.
You guys got it perfect. We're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna clean up and we're gonna do some transplanting and we're gonna also plant these watermelon seeds. I think this is gonna be a kind of a weird year. I got Brussels sprouts and I got onions, and now we're gonna have watermelon.
Down in the basement.
Hydroponic watermelon. How many of you are up for hydroponic watermelon?
Me.
Oh, well, the kids are. How about you guys out there in YouTube land?
Oh, I didn't see you.
Dad, could I get a kitty litter bucket for the transplanting?
So,
Okay. Why do we have to clean up? Just because you picked it up.
so because I picked it up, you're putting it down.
Then I took it, then I put it down.
Well, that's what I mean, all I'm asking is, I had a plan of what I wanted to do with it. So
What's
you
your
said,
plan?
okay, grab this, I'm gonna take it.
What's your specific plan?
What's my specific plan?
Mhm.
My specific plan
Is I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay, your specific plan is you gotta go to the bathroom, okay. My specific plan is that I'm moving this back into this position. We ended up having something I didn't expect, and I don't know if it's gonna live or die. That tomato plant that was here looked like it was dead, and then I found these growing out of the clay pebbles. However, I didn't know what I was doing, and I pulled the plant out, and these were almost attached to the plant. So I'm not sure whether I can get enough water on them to let them grow, or if they'll shrivel up and die since I took away the... Yeah, I just don't know. I was so excited to see them, and I tried to be really careful. I was going to pull the other plant out. I guess we'll see what happens. I've seen them do stranger things than this, I guess. Okay, my specific plan was to put this here,
Oh.
not on the ground.
So we could clean up?
Well,
That's part of the reason.
that was part of cleaning up, but
We also need.
see, I don't know how to make a video with you kids. Because I have a specific plan, and then you have a specific plan, and
But
then we get all mixed up.
Well, now
But-
I'm listening.
And now you're listening. Okay.
Me too.
Okay, what we want to do is we want to take
Those seeds.
those seeds that are already growing right up here,
Mm-hmm.
and we
transplant them.
want to transplant them. We're going to transplant them over here, in here.
Oh, I never had that idea. I thought
And-
you were putting it in there.
We'll probably try to block off some of these holes. But
Why
I
don't
think
you
a
want-
watermelon is going to need a lot of water, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
We're going to need to open up the lid.
well, we
Or
gotta,
stick them through the
yeah.
tiny holes.
we can pour it,
Through the holes?
yeah, we can pour it through the holes, or we could pour it, Abigail, everybody loves you, but they don't want to look at the back of your head.
What's in here, Dad?
No, I'm not.
Nothing's in there yet. Okay,
Perfect.
let's move over here.
Where I am?
Talking.
Right, where Seth is. Anyway, what we want to do is take that tote and fill it with water.
All the way?
All the way.
That's going to take gallons of water.
Let me.
Next one, let's fill. On my next dump.
Okay.
Let's
We'll
go
be back when we got it filled up. Okay, so, hey, I just said no more noise, Abigail. I gotta tell these people something. Well, and you might want to listen too because you'll be learning. Okay, what we got here is some Epsom salt, and from what I can tell, this Tiger Bloom Buds and Blooms should do the trick. It calls for 15 of these and 15 of these because I got a 15 gallons of water in the bucket. So, or in the, in my tote here.
Yeah.
So, we will proceed with that and we will pray because I've never done watermelon before. So, I'm a little bit leery. I might start on the shallow side and
We can
only
hear.
do half.
Do half of what it says. Is that Epsom salt?
This is the Epsom salt. And we'll get that stuff in here maybe.
Why are you starting at the shallowest end?
Well, if I put in less than it says, it probably won't
Work.
kill the plant. But if I put in more than it says,
They'll kill the plant.
it might kill the plant. Simply because it's,
If you do half of what it says, it'll not kill the plant at all.
yeah. Okay, so I'm going to call that good for now.
Now could I stir?
No, but you could take this stuff back upstairs to Mommy.
Okay, but don't do anything until I get back.
Okay, I won't.
Because I've never done this before.
Me neither.
Me neither.
So, we're going to call this the hydroponic watermelon experiment. Crack key method.
Last time we did one and it worked. Last time we did watermelon, a different kind though. We never did before, but it's right there now. Or just still there.
Okay, you got to get out of the way, Abigail. The people can't see nothing but the back of your head. Okay, are you back?
Yep.
Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to pour this into here.
Why is it green?
I don't know. All the solutions are green, I think.
The other one was clear.
That's 3.
That's 4.
4.
5.
6.
6.
Stay there, Abigail.
Let me see.
You can see it. You don't have to be in the middle of the picture,
7.
though.
8. 9.
8. Okay, we'll do one more. 9.
9.
Okay, since it called for 15, and 15, we did about 7
We did
Of-
over 8. We did.
of the Epsom salts, and we did 9.
Can I stir? Here's the stir stick.
You may.
Can I stir
Now I'm
too?
in front of the camera. Move out of the way so the
this'll
people
go
can see. Hand me
Watermelon.
one of the watermelons. Hand me.
I think Seth's is much more better.
And I'm taking mine and putting mine in the one eye. The other one. Let me put mine in the other one. Don't we need some clay petals?
Yes, we're gonna need
Can I put
clay
them in?
pebbles.
Why do you have to dump them? Could I have a handful? Can I grab some?
Open your hand.
Like this? I'm ready for more. Is that enough in there?
Not in there. Abigail.
Oh,
It has to be in the bucket,
okay.
not in the water.
I'm ready for more.
Here, stand over here. Seth, move out of the way. You're in the way of the camera.
Where's one more? You wrote down.
I'm
Down
done.
the stream.
Can I put some in the water too? Could I put some?
We got enough here, Abigail,
Could I
for
put
right
some?
now.
Could I put some in here?
No. Silly. Okay, we're going to plant these watermelons,
Now
and
the
then
other.
we will, in about 2 weeks, hopefully, we'll be able to start a different hydroponic or we can start something else.
Or a
But
regular
anyway,
watermelon.
this is going to be...
Abigail, put yours
Yeah.
in that corner.
Okay, put it over here, Abigail.
Over here. Where's Mom? The other one's up there. Put that one in here. In here. In that corner. Not upside down. Where's the hole?
There. It's right there.
Oh.
Okay.
Now let's.
Yeah.
Now give me one or two.
This is how we operate, people.
Give me one or three or
Frustration and abundance.
Give me one. Give me one.
Give me one or two.
Give me one or three.
One or two.
One or two.
Do we just pick
It.
Can we just pick one
or two?
Okay, I grabbed two
for
for
me?
each of you.
Woo! So we
Here's two for you. And two for you.
These are big.
Now put yours in this one, Abigail. Seth, you put yours in that one. And hopefully in about 2 weeks, we'll have some more watermelons. Can you believe this, guys? It's going to be a watermelon winter. Okay, from the little Whitehouse, that's our 2 cents for the day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. We do a variety of subjects here, but growing is one of them. And we do have a free TubeBuddy link in the description box below. Go check it out. TubeBuddy is a great tool to use for your YouTube channel. It'll help you and it'll help us. And if you have any comments, leave them in the comments below. We love to hear from everybody. Anyway, once again, that's our 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.